With most everything out of this garage, we can really start getting things organized with a few of the tricks we want to share with you. And one thing that takes up so much room in a garage, bicycles. Now, a children's bicycle, probably best to store it right along the wall like this. You can just put the kickstand down, keep it out of the way of the cars, and that leaves it very accessible for the children. But adult bicycles can be stored very successfully overhead on the ceiling. Now, these type of hooks that have a plastic coating on it are readily available at the home center. They come in a lot of different sizes, and this particular one is perfect to hook right on the tire of the bicycle, turning it upside down. Now, of course, you'll need to measure the bicycle to make sure you're getting the proper spacing, but more importantly, you want to make sure that you're hitting a ceiling joist when you're putting the hooks in. By looking in the attic, we can determine what direction our ceiling joists are running and how far from the wall the first one starts. We make a measurement on the ceiling back in the garage and then check for the location of the joist with a small nail. We measure out a few inches along the same joist and do the same thing. Then we drill pilot holes that are slightly smaller than the threads on our hooks. We thread in the first set of hooks, making sure they're deep enough into the joist to be secure. From the first hooks, I measure over 48 inches, which is the width I need for the bikes and should also hit a ceiling joist since all of these are on 16-inch center. Then out from the same distance from the wall for the next two hooks. The pilot holes are drilled and the hooks installed as before. Along this same joist, I'm measuring out for two more hooks. The hooks that will go in these holes will be used to support hanging plants brought in from the cold weather. We measure and cut a piece of pipe 6 feet in length and then drill a hole in each end. Small eye bolts are installed in these holes, and the bar is suspended by short lengths of chain from the two ceiling hooks. Now, this will be perfect for hanging the plants, or maybe even a snowsuit or wetsuit, almost anything that you'd like to hang out in the garage. And if you don't need it at certain parts of the year, then you can simply unhook it, store it, and you'll have it whenever you need it.